Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set record permissions for a leave form here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to the top right and click on the gear icon. Now, once you're in here, just click on Leave Tracker. Alright, click on it, and once done, go ahead over to the top. Now click on Permissions. Alright, and then here you have Record Permissions. Click on it, and as you can see here under General Role, for directors, they can only view what reportees plus your data, or you can click on it and you can go to select no data, my data, or reportees data, or even all data. All right. For example, you wanted to grant the permission for the director to view all data. You can go to select that option. Can they edit it? No. Add? Yes. All data as well. Delete? No. All right. So if you want to add in some more field permissions, just got to click on edit right here. Now for the leave form, the director right here can what? You can go ahead and give all permissions like so. They can now view and edit the team email ID, data request, view and edit, reason for leave, view and edit, added time, just view, modified view, and so on and so forth. All right. They can edit the leave type right here by default. And everything. Okay, now once that's done, if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click on set permissions like so. Now once this one pops up, just go ahead and select the view permissions once more, all data, edit permissions, all data. If you're happy with that, go ahead and click on save, wait for the process to finish, and once done, go back to record permissions right here and do the same with the manager, team in charge, and team member. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.